My nails really needed some love. I am absolutely obsessed.
Love beautiful nail art? Subscribe for new designs every day.
Let's create the perfect pink ombre nails. Sponge on the gradient for that seamless blend. Cure it inside the lamp to lock in the color. Apply a super glossy top coat for that ultimate shine. Finish with a bit of cuticle oil, and you're all set with gorgeous nails. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this nail art design, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more beautiful nail art videos. Thank you for your support. Have a wonderful day. Let's start with a flawless base. Now we'll swirl in the center, use light strokes for the outer petals. Add a pop of green for leaves. Seal it with a glossy top coat. There it is!
Love beautiful nail art? Subscribe for new designs every day.
Voy todos 120.